Welcome to Sat X. Simplifying a radical expression, we are starting conjugates to rationalize a denominator. Last video we are trying to solve number 33 to 35. This video we will start from 36. 36 2 by root 3 plus root 6. So this one is here plus root 6. So we know the scenario we have to make a plus b times a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Why we are doing this one? Because conjugates to rationalize a denominator, it means we will not keep any root sign in denominator. Therefore we can write like 2 times root 3 minus root 6 divide root 3 plus root 6 times root 3 minus root 6. Okay, then here is 2 root 3 minus root 6, and this one is a plus b times a minus b, so we can write a square, it means root 3 square minus root 6 square. So this one 2 root 3 minus root 6 divide root 3 square means 3 minus root 6 square means 6, right? Now look, here is what? 2 root 3 minus root 6 divide 3 minus 6 is a minus 3, so our answer is minus 2 root 3 minus root 6 by 3. Okay, this is our answer. So number 36 done. Now number 37. So here is 4 divide 4 minus 3 root 3. Okay, so this one also, first our target to omit root sign in denominator, so we will multiply this fraction by 4, and here is 4 plus 3 root 3 divide 4 minus 3 root 3 times 4 plus 3 root 3. So as per a plus b times a minus b, we know this is a square minus b square, so we can write here is 4 times 4 is a 16 plus 4 times 3 is a 12, so 12 root 3, and this one is 4 square, it means a square minus b square means 3 root 3 square. Okay, next here 16 plus 12 root 3, 4 square means 16 minus 3 square means 9 and root 3 square means 3, so 9 times 3 is a 27. Now here is 16 plus 12 root 3, and 16 minus 27 is a minus 11, so we can write minus then 16 plus 2 root 3 by 11. Okay, and this is our answer. Okay, very simple. Number 38. Here is 3 root 7 by 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Okay, Now similar thing, here is 3 root 7, we will multiply by 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5, and here is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 times 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5. So this fraction we are multiplying by 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5. Okay. Now what happened? Here 3 times 5 is a 15, and root 7 and root 3 will be root 21. Okay. Then minus 3 times 3 is a 9, and root 7 times root 5 is a root 35, and here 5 root 3 square, because this is a plus b times a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square minus 3 root 5 square. Okay. Then here is 15 root 21 minus 9 root 35, and here 5 square means 25 and root 3 square means 3. So 25 times 3 is a 75. Okay. Minus 3 square means 9, 5 root 5 square means 5, so 9 times 5 is a 45. Now here in numerator we can take common 3, so here is 5 root 21 minus 3 root 35, and then here is 75 minus 45 is a 30, so we can divide this 30 by 3, so here is 1 and here is 10. Our answer will be 5 root 21 minus 3 root 35 by 10. Okay, this is our answer. So no more today, and successfully we are solving all the math of conjugates to rationalize a denominator. The topics is simplifying a radical expression. Please subscribe my channel SudX, you will get lots of things from here. And also my request, please share with others. Thank you.